Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos kasi nakakaya and sobrang nag-focus rin ako bumili kasi yung mga binili ko ay para sa gagawin kong booklet. Hello, so this is what I got. First is ito. Dalawang brown na envelope. Envelope. Folder. Tawag pala dito ay abaca. Pumila ko ng black cream. Vellum board. Next namin pinuntahan ay Panday. I got this. Parang cartolina pero ang ganda ng quality niya. I hope the camera gives justice to it. So, nandito ako ngayon sa school. Specifically sa SC office kasi may piprint up for my performance task. So, currently ay nagpiprint kami ng mga pang-design sa aming booklet, which is ito. Go home. Mag-hi kayo sa vlog ko. Hi! Today we're going to create, syrup for our bubbles. Yeah. Yes! Stay tuned for part 2.
Oh, very smelly! Ito naman tayo sa likod ng water. Hi!
Plastic bags. Yay! Ikaw yung kumakain. Bakit tayo ito? Lablihan. Ano ba? Gagawin natin ngayon.
Mag-record ko ng bib.
Bib numbers 4.
Color fun. Hi, bibs!
Gupit po kami ng bib numbers for Color Fun Run for our Academy Day 2025 with the theme HMA at 78, My School, My Home.
Nani?
Hindi ganyan, di kayo pag-grade na. Dito ka pa.
May pagandaan yun yung declamation mo.
Camping.
2026 batch.
Pangit, 6 times.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Pangit, 6 times. Hi po sa vlog.
Masaya po kami ngayon kasi
May laban.
pinayagan kami mag...
Overnight! Then, balik agad ako after that.
Masaya ka, masaya ka.
We have the permission po,
Yeah.
specifically from Sir Handa. Pinayagan po kami today na mag-overnight. So, sana po hindi po kami mabigyan ng chance na matawagan yung Ghostbusters.
Ghostbusters! Wow! Paitlog.
Hello, samahan niyo ako mag-duty for fun na. Hello po! So, nandito kami ngayon sa HMA. Kami po ay mag-duty for our fun run dahil Academy Day na ngayon and second day bukas. That's our program for tomorrow. Ito na yung mga may color. Sahaluin na namin ang Harina Marie.
What if it goes wrong? What if it goes right? What if these things I'm saying make you change your mind? I've never been one to cry. I can't stop the tears raining down from my eyes. No, 'cause I feel so stupid for falling for you.
Ayun naman. Bilis.
Should've listened to my friends. They told me not to. They said you never need one night stand. Trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But the heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me.
Pumalakpak ang retina.